go ahead and open this up. Sunny, do you want to open it? Yes. Oh, you want that card? Yes, I know you want that card. Yeah, you want Zekrom, I want Pikachu. Alright, so we're gonna slide this out over here. Wow, check that out. Whoa, that's a lot of packs. Let's open this up together. Okay, here. Help me open this up together. Yes, you want that card. I know you want that card. Yeah, it's a really nice card. I think there's like a little ding though, right here. Okay. Oh, there we go. Here's a card. What happened to the big card? Okay, so check that out. You get 5 Chilling Reign, 2 Battle Styles, and 3 Evolving Skies, and you get a Pikachu and Zekrom GX hollow or etched kind of foiling, and you also get the big version of this oversized card. Oh, this looks really nice. I might put it for like a display or something. Okay, so you want to open the Battle Styles? Battle Styles. Okay, so let's open this up. So, first off, we got a Glugar. Okay, so I don't know the card trick. We have no idea what the card trick is. We're just gonna open it up, all right? So, let me help you, all right? Oh, look, she got a Glugar too. All right, cool. Are we getting the same cards? Here. Okay, so you're gonna get that. You're gonna open that up.
We got a Bronzer, Squink, Take, Haru, Shirazu, Hidnight, Playdol, Energy.
Double Aid, Cheryl, and an Energy, and I got a code card. And what did you get? This looks like a gradable PSA, maybe PSA 8.5. Oh, she's picking up cards. I'm gonna open up another pack. So we're gonna do Chilling Reign next. So Chilling Reign. Okay. So Chilling Reign, first pack. What happened? Oh, okay. Okay, Sneasel, Snover, Blitzel, Cinderace. I don't know if that's pronounced correctly. Okay, so here's a code card. All right, I think we're not doing too good. Chilling Reign, pack number 2. Wow, you want to open that? Okay, here, let me help you. In this pack, there were Passimian, Lycanroc. I know I'm killing the names. Okay, so this is my daughter's pack, Chilling Reign. Okay, this is her pack. And we got 2 more Chilling Reign. What did she pull? Oh, she pulled a VMAX. Calyrex VMAX. Alright, I think that's pretty good.
Stop.
Okay, so we're gonna open up 2 more Chilling Reign. What is this? Sobble? Wait, I see something shiny. I see something shiny in the back of this card. Diglett. And we got a Karen's Conviction. It's a full art. Okay, look at her face. Karen's Conviction with some print things going on her face and her arm. We pulled that out right from the pack. We have 1 more Chilling Reign pack, and we have 3 Evolving Sky packs. Okay, so Castform, Gardevoir, Urshifu. I don't know if that's pronounced correctly. Here's the code card. Okay, so we have 3 more Evolving Skies, and I'm gonna go ahead and open pack 1.
Alright, so obviously, Umbreon is the best pull. We got a Hippopotamus, Skaggy, Fletching, Gossipin, Harden,
Talonflame. Okay, so that was a bad pack, I would say. Here's a code card. And okay, so here's the next pack. C dot, very off-centered, love disc.
Dragon, Comfortable, Tentacle, Tentacruel.
Okay, LiQWYD VMAX. All right, and we got an energy. The last pack of Evolving Skies. Chinchou, Swablu. These are really off-centered. Look at this. You can even see there's like a dot, a factory print dot over there. That's how off-centered it is. Scraggy, Moltres, Energy. Okay, I think that's it. So these are our pulls and notable pulls, and we also have these. This is what we pulled from the box. So now I'm going to give my review. First off, the appearance of the box is really nice. I like how they designed it. You have the tag team thing going on. You have Pikachu, you have Zekrom, you have the booster packs laid out on the sides, on both sides. And you also have the main promo card that you're getting. You get the oversized card, and you also get the normal card, which is really flashy. Appearance-wise, I'd give it an 8.5. Now for the price, a little bit overpriced in my opinion. I feel I'm paying over $3 per booster pack, and just from this card alone, the value, I mean, this isn't a $30 card. This is probably a few dollars. I would say pricing, I'd give it a 6 out of 10. Now for quality, I feel like the quality of the cards are printed decently. Of course, you can't compare it to Japanese cards, but for some reason, when I open up this card, Karen's Conviction, I had some weird things going on with the print quality. I mean, I'll probably give it a 6 as well. I can't argue the fact that opening booster packs is super fun, especially with your kids. So I'd have to give it an 8, just automatically for fun. For the final review of this product, I would give it a 7.